Welcome to today's tutorial. If you're looking to get your products into millions of TikTok users' feeds, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to set up your TikTok Seller Center account step by step. We'll walk through everything from creating your account to setting up your shipping preferences, and soon you'll be all set to sell on TikTok. Let's dive right in. First, go ahead and visit the TikTok Seller Center website. If you already have a TikTok account, simply click on Continue with TikTok. If you don't have one yet, make sure to create your TikTok account before proceeding. Now, once you're logged in, if your business is based in the USA, TikTok will automatically detect your location. All you need to do is click on the Start Selling button to proceed. Next, TikTok will ask you to choose your role. If you're a reseller, select Reseller. If you're a dropshipper, select Dropshipper. For me, I'm selecting Seller as I'm managing the store directly. Click Next, and now you'll need to select your business type. Since I'm a sole proprietorship, that's the option I'll select. If you're an LLC or another type of business, choose the one that best suits your situation. After selecting, click Next. Now it's time to enter your business details. Make sure you fill these out accurately based on your business registration or LLC documentation. Once you've entered all the information, click Next. Now, TikTok will ask you to enter the information of your primary representative. This is usually the business owner or the authorized person managing the store. Fill this out and click Next. Next, we'll move on to your shop details. You'll need to enter a TikTok username for your shop, or, if you prefer, you can create a completely new name for your shop. Then, choose a product category that fits the products you plan to sell. TikTok has many categories to choose from, so pick the one that best represents your business. Once done, complete the secure sign-up by confirming your details. If you have a website, you can add it here to help promote your shop. Click Next to continue. Great! Now that your shop is set up, you'll be taken to the TikTok Seller Center dashboard. Here, you can manage everything from products to orders and shipping settings. But before we can start selling, there are a few more steps to complete. Click on Add Tax Information. Fill in your tax details accurately according to your business registration. This is a crucial step, so make sure everything is correct. Once entered, click Submit. Next, let's set up your shipping and return address. This is where your products will be shipped from and where customers will return items if necessary. Click Submit after filling out your address information. Now, choose your shipping carrier. TikTok allows you to choose from various providers like FedEx or others. For this example, I'll select FedEx, but choose the carrier that best suits your needs. Now, click on Order and Shipping Settings. Here, you can adjust your shipping preferences. Click on Delivery Settings, and then select Switch option to pick your preferred shipping method. I'll choose Seller Shipping since it works best for my business, but if you want TikTok to handle shipping for you, select TikTok Shipping. Now, click on Create Template to set up your shipping fee template. You can customize this according to your business model, so depending on where you ship and how much you charge, you'll set up the fees here. Everything is complete now. Your shop is now under review by TikTok. This process usually takes about 2 to 3 days to get approved. Once approved, your TikTok shop will be ready to go live and you can start selling to millions of TikTok users. Now that your TikTok shop is almost ready, imagine the potential. If your products could go viral on TikTok and reach millions of shoppers, if your shop could be the next big thing on the platform, the best part, you're just a few steps away from launching your business to a global audience. Are you ready to start selling on TikTok and watch your sales soar? Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for our next video where we'll connect your TikTok shop to Shopify. Don't miss out. Your TikTok success story starts now.